everyone. The 12 workers in a cafeteria rotate among 3 kinds of jobs. In how many ways can the crew be assigned the jobs of 2 cooks, 7 servers, and 3 dishwashers? So before we start, let's add this up. We have 2 cooks, 7, and 3. So this totals 7 plus 3 plus 2 equals your 12 total. Since we have the same identical type jobs, we're going to use our formula for the number of permutations of things, not all different. So the first thing here is your total. Your total is 12 factorial. And you divide by all the ones that are the same. So we have 2 factorial times 7 factorial. 7 factorial times 3 factorial. Now, that's going to give you 1,600. Now, the denominator, 2 factorial is just 2. 7 factorial is 5,040. And 3 factorial is 6. So this is 12. Again, you can put this in your calculator like that, or you can work it out this way. And that's going to total to 7,920 ways the crew can be assigned. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.